Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I am trying out, I'm probably going to say the name wrong, but this is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. Please tell me below if I said it right or wrong. I don't know. But anyway, if you guys want to find out my thoughts on this foundation and how it wears, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, then just keep watching. Alright guys, as I said in the opening, today we're going to be trying out the Bourjois, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it is the Healthy Mix Foundation. This was a request from one of my viewers, so thank you very much for asking. I was able to pick this up off of Amazon. It cost $12.26. You get 1 fluid ounce of this. It's a semi-matte finish and it is supposed to have medium buildable coverage. So I have worn it one other time. It says on the bottle, I don't know if you can see this up close down here, 16 hours. But the description says 24, so I'm a little confused. And I am in the color number 52, which is vanilla. So hopefully it's a little bit off on me, but just a little bit. So as always, I have gone ahead and put on all of my moisturizers and serums, and I have primed and under eye color corrected. So we will get started, and I will use my Juno sponge on one side and my Morphe Y6 flat top kabuki brush on the other. And we'll see how this goes. So go ahead and pump this out. It's pretty runny, as you can see. It does have a gel-like feel to it, is the best way I can describe it. Now, here's what they say about it. Let's see if I can read and put this on at the same time. So it says that this will give you a rested natural glow that will make your skin look healthy. With its blend of vitamin C, E, and B5, it instantly erases imperfections and signs of fatigue, as well as boosts skin's radiance for a fresh looking complexion. Your skin will be 70% more radiant than bare skin for up to 16 hours, and you will stay hydrated for up to 24 hours. Moreover, thanks to non-comedogenic formula, it will not block your pores. So when you need beauty sleep results without the beauty sleep itself, boost your complexion with Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue Foundation. Its melting texture blends perfectly into the skin and stays comfortable all day. This medium buildable coverage gives a semi-matte finish immediately after application. So, immediately after application, yes, I agree, it's buildable. Just need to finish blending it out on this side. Okay, now let's go into the brush side. Again, I'm just going to do 1 pump. We'll start tapping that in. It said in your application to either use your fingers or a sponge. It didn't say anything about a brush. And when I tried it before, I did not use a brush. So we'll see how that goes. Definitely feels thicker this way. I can feel it on my skin. Okay, let's take a little peek-see here in the mirror. Do a good job blending it out with the brush side at all. Okay, I will definitely need to go in with some more. And I like the brush side better. Let me get this before it dries. It's not doing too good for my pores though. And I did use a pore filling primer I used my Tarte Clean Slate like I always do. So this is not blending out very well either. Very blotchy. All right, let me go in and add a little bit more in that area. And I'm going to go back with sponge this time. It says it's buildable, but it doesn't say it's anything beyond medium coverage. So as you can see, it's completely dark outside. It is 10:18 at night, so I will not be doing a wear test with this. I will be washing my face as soon as I'm done filming. And I apologize, I did not get a foundation video out last week. I had filmed it and my memory card got corrupt. So I actually filmed 2 videos, which is why I'm filming at 10:15 at night. Okay, this is not blending out very well at all. Ooh, what's going on around my mouth? I look like I have a milk mustache. At this point, I feel like every time I pat it, all I'm doing is taking some of the product off. So I'm going to let this dry down just a little bit. Give me a second, and then I'll come back and do my under eyes, and we'll see how it looks once I blend that out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and I have put on my concealer, blended that out. I haven't powdered anything yet, so it's had a chance to kind of sink into my skin, kind of become one with it, I guess we could say, because it's warmed up and everything now. So let me zoom you in a little bit, that way you can see close up, and I might turn my ring light down, see if that helps, but let's zoom you in first. Alright, so this is the side I originally did with the sponge. It's pretty blotchy, and let me turn my lights down, hold on. I don't know if you can see this. I'll try and zoom in a little bit, but I've got a lot of my pores showing pretty darn bad. Eyelash that wants to hang out with me too. It looks very shiny on my skin too, so I would not call this semi-matte at all, and it's really, really sticky. Okay, this was the side I used the brush on, but I did go back in and go over everything with the sponge again. So far, we're not doing any creasing on the forehead. It's already creasing right in here, but I don't have powder on yet. So let me go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I have completed all my makeup, and it's been now about an hour and a half that I've had this on. So it's had a chance to like sink into my skin or just kind of even itself out. I have sprayed it twice with a setting spray, but it indeed is looking very matte. I wouldn't even say semi-matte. This is matte. As far as coverage goes, I am still seeing a little bit of my hyperpigmentation coming through in spots, so definitely medium coverage. And it's looking pretty cakey in some areas. It's not settling into my fine lines up on my forehead, and it's doing okay on my marionette lines. However, I have blown my nose once in the last hour and a half, and it really like wiped off around my nose. I don't know if you want to kind of see, but like especially right in here, it's just really rubbed off. And I was being very gentle in what I was doing. It's kind of come up on my tip, and right in here, you can see that is just looking very, very cakey. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, so hopefully you can see how that is just really kind of cakey, and it almost looks like it's clinging to my pores or something. But here is where it completely wiped away. Again, on this nostril, not looking so good. So looking really dry in here. So it didn't even blend out good around my eyebrows and hairline. I really had problems. See, looking right here, that's looking really dry and patchy. I hope it's showing up. It's looking just really not so good. So I'm not a fan. Let me zoom you back out again. Yeah, I can't say I am a fan of this. It's just, I have a lot of other foundations that look a lot better. It's drugstore pricing. I have a lot of drugstore foundations that look a lot better than this. And no, I don't want to go out looking like this. So I did wear it one other time. I had the same issues. I actually had it start wearing off throughout the day. So when they say 16-hour coverage, that's not true for me. This could be true for you, but for me, it's not. So this one's a big pass for me. As far as everything else I have on my face, I did film a tutorial on this, and that was up last Saturday? Last Saturday, I think. So anyway, I'll leave a card up here if you want to go watch that, and I'll have everything listed below down in the description box. So, okay, I think that wraps us up on this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, foundations you would like to see me try, then please go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'm also asking you guys to go to my Facebook page. It's just KarenReneBeauty. I will leave a card up here or down in the description box if I can't leave a card for it. But go there. I'm running a poll. I've got 18 quick questions. They're yes or no, so it should only take you a couple minutes. I'm just trying to find out from you guys what it is you want me to be doing on this channel, because this is for you guys. It's not for me. It's for you guys. So I want to take it in the direction that is going to be appealing for you. Does that make sense? So thanks so much for watching. As always, I love you all, and bye-bye.